What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Guess what we're going to be working on today? Oh god, there's a new baby over there. We're going to be working on this one with the wide hips, vast around the hips. Don't know where to start. I wanted to start on the intake plenum. I was thinking of doing that. As you can see what it looks like now, give it a little bit of a spray, put the spacer on it. The tool is there to take off everything, but I think I'm going to start on the steering wheel and the interior bits. What I want to do today. Do you see this here? Look at all this shiny, sticky crap. I want to take that all apart, spray it all in satin, take that off over there, take it off on the other side, change the gear boot, change the gear lever, and let's not forget, let's do the steering wheel while we're here. Take the steering wheel off and get all these things all nicely painted up. Parts list that I need to go through. Like, do you want to see? Let's go, let's have a look. Those can go onto the back of the car when I want to be a hoon. Let's have a look at what's all available for this car at this moment in time. There's a lot. Oh, well, we're in the room. Oh, where do we start? We've got wheels, big wheels. We've got seats. Got some filters from Pipe Across. I just want to say thanks to all my sponsors: Pipe Across, GK Tech, Sparko, Ram Air, everybody, love you guys. D1 spec, got braided lines in here. I've got some side skirts, some rear spats. We've got a whole bunch of alignment tools, radiator shrouds. Oh man, where do I even start? Let's start with the steering wheel. Let's go have a look at which wheel we're going to put on the car. Let's have a look. But I don't know. This is what we got here. I think that is the mod 78. This is the, which one are you? You are the mod, can't remember. And this is the Monte Carlo. So that is Alcantara, that's suede, that's suede. And now it's either that goes into the 350, so we get the steering wheel nice and close, or so one needs to go into the Del Sol, one needs to go into the Skyline, and one needs to go into the 350. Now this is going to be a tough choice, which to go with. Let's get the battery disconnected, take the cover off so we don't get airbags popping in our face. You can already get a tool, not a screwdriver, to unclip all of these over here, and we can turn the gear knob off. Oh, that's quite a tight one. Oh, it's quite a tight one. Does it have a grub screw? I don't think so. I think it just turns off. So we'll just have to use a little more power. Okay, I've got it. It's turning. No, it's not. My God.
No, I got one off without an issue with the water pump.
Is it?
Yeah, it was very tight, but I got it off.
Oh my God.
You can see I struggled my pee off.
Okay, well, that definitely did not work, because now the whole gear knob's broken. Oh my goodness! Wow.
That's why you put a cloth on the shifter.
Yeah, the cloth was on the shifter. I eventually got it to turn a little bit. Okay, now that that's out, that was a mission. I've taken this out. So the nice thing about this is it literally just clips on everywhere. It just clips in, and it's got two screws right here at the bottom, 1, 2 that you take out, and you take that out, and then at the back of here there's literally 2 screws, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then all the gauges come out like that. As it stands, the interior looks like it's completely been dismantled, which it has. I still have that to do, and it's also been taken apart. I won't do it today, but I'm going to do these guys in black as well. Take those. That's basically what the finished product's going to look like. It's going to take a little bit of time to dry up, but it's a lot less shiny. It's got the matte that I'm after, and yeah, all those silver rings are gone. Time to reassemble, see what it looks like. Suede, very nice. ready, looking good. Now that's all done. Basically put that in there and just got to find where it bolts up together. As you can see, that's on the wrong side, so we've got to flip it around. There we go. So that lines up. Those holes line up there. See, it even slides in. It's like fitted. Bolt, nut, screw, 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 screw. Done. Okay, now it's all clipped in. Everything's happy. You unplug this. It's right here. It's underneath the handbrake. You unplug that. You might have to use 2 hands to unplug it, because I needed 2 hands to unplug it. You unplug that, you leave it there, and you might have a light on the dash, but then you got no more traction control, no more interference with the computers. Good modification, for free, just cost a little bit of time and effort. Happy driving. But for now, I guess this will have to do, as it's nice. The only problem is summer days, it's like a steel gear knob, so it's gonna be hot as hell. But you know, for now that doesn't look too bad. I would have preferred something in carbon. And we'll just turn this guy on, and just like that we have the new gear lever, painted surroundings, and I need to finish that off over there, but basically we are done.